This video will demonstrate how to use the Inspire database to assist students in grades 6 to 8 with research on any subject matter, as well as how to access the unlimited access ebooks available to Indiana residents. This is the Inspire website. Inspire is a service of the Indiana State Library, and the web address is www.inspire.in.gov. The easiest way to find the databases most helpful to your student's age group is to look at the databases by subject tile. Then scroll down to Student Search 6 to 12. From there, you will click Explora for middle schools. Explora for middle schools contains articles from encyclopedias, newspapers, journals, and other print and electronic resources. These articles are vetted, reliable sources and are recommended for research projects over using Google or Wikipedia. To search for a subject in Explora, simply type in your search terms at the search bar and click the yellow search button. For this example, we will search Indiana. And now you can see the search results, starting with the topic overview from an encyclopedia. The first three results that come up are full text books, followed by a reference article from an encyclopedia. If you would like to only search for a certain type of source, such as only ebooks or only encyclopedias, you can limit the source types by clicking the boxes on the left side of the screen. If we sort by only ebooks, for example, you can see there are now 13 results. You can then choose how you would like to view your search results. So for the first item, an ebook titled Indiana by Julie Murray, you can see a PDF full text, do a full download, or add the item to a folder for quick reference and viewing later. Now we will go back to the databases by subject tiled and look at the K-8 ebook collection. The ebook collection housed within Inspire contains over 75,000 full-text unlimited access ebooks. The ebook collection is divided into subject categories, including both children's fiction and children's nonfiction. For example, if we click children's and young adult fiction, we see a book called 7th Grade versus the Galaxy. To see the full book, you can click PDF full text. And here we are. So whether your student needs a book for research or a book for reading pleasure, the choices here are wide across many genres and interests. Another valued resource housed within Inspire is the Learning Express library. To find this, we will go back to the databases by subject tiled and look under the careers section. Then click Learning Express library. Here you can see resources for career prep, college admissions, and test preparation, as well as resources for college students and adults. If you click School Center and then click Middle School, you will find many skills improvement practice resources for math, English language arts, and social studies. If you have any questions regarding Inspire, please contact the Indiana State Library. Thank you.